soldier spoke of someone named the Archduchess. She must be the one behind the attack on your village. More answers must lie ahead. If you can only climb your way up this cliff. Or up this next cliff. So a challenge, you say? I'll take you on. Let's see. Optional objective, burn at least 90% of the vegetation. Well, I can try. But it depends on like which one I have to burn. What's the latest? There's a lot of dialogue that they put in this game. Nothing suspicious, aside from the extra rations. Well, oops. Ugh, I need a nap. I won't be so spooked or something. Okay. How far is she going? There's a fire! So do I just have to start a fire just because for the challenge? Yeah, run away, run away. She didn't see me, surprisingly, but okay. Oh my goodness. Didn't mean to do that. It's okay. I'll go over here this time. Bro, this song, this fucking background music is hitting it. It's hitting it right now. Oh, checkpoint. Let's go. Well, I'm gonna go explore over here first. Meteor shard. Okay. Silent ignition. Igniting objects with the fireball no longer creates an audio disturbance. Whoa. That sounded pretty useful. Let's go. Oh, but it made me go all the way back. That's fine. We'll just speedrun through it. She's wet. She did not notice me. Alright. Okay, I want to pull the lever. Just cause. I don't know if it's exactly gonna do anything.
Huh?
Well, that went wrong. And that went wrong. And that went wrong. I thought the lever was gonna be on that level. But... okay, that went wrong again. And that went wrong again. But watch this time. It shall not go wrong. Whoa! Let's go! That's how you fucking do it. I'm outie. You'll never catch me. Oops. So this is where you have to go to pull the lever. And I died. I fucking died. Do I have more hearts now? I didn't know that was gonna kill me. Okay, and I died again. I fucking splat. Reload. I'm gonna do checkpoint. Okay, ouch. There you go, I got it. There you go. There you go. Now I got the point. That makes me feel a lot better. Let's head on over here. Let's go on back. Okay. Now on to the next part. I'm slowly but surely getting better at this. Okay. Is she gonna come all the way back here? Dreary place they've sent us to. Well, let me pickpocket you. I couldn't. Okay, as soon as you go past me, I'm fucking running. That was really close. Status report. Stay vigilant. Something not quite right. I wonder why. Can she see me? No, not right here. So I'm gonna use this fire just to scare them and then fucking run in there. That's my plan. But I have to wait for him or her to go back. Give me 1 second, guys. Come on, turn around.
Huh?
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. There you go. I accidentally killed 2. I did not do that, but we don't even look at that, you know. I don't give a hoot. I don't give a hoot about no objectives. I do it my own way. Let's see. Oh, now I can get this one. Fire jump. Double jump while holding a fireball to consume it and rocket upward. Interesting. Oh, I can't do that one yet. I thought I did have some shards equipped. Oh well. Whoa. So I can double jump it as long as I'm holding it. Okay. Easy enough. Another scripture. Remember we hunted for springtime's return. An egg, chirping swallow and blossom would earn. A title, some coin and good luck for all year, but only for they who first made them appear. Each tingling bolt on the homeward bound road was warmer and warning her not to explode. If holding hot things to move faster ahead, consider that prizes aren't used to the dead. Interesting. This small clearing and stream looks like temporary refuge, but you sense a familiar presence just up ahead. Investigate the area, quickly and with caution. Tip, enemies will cut down grass if they see you entering it to hide. Oh, okay. So if they see me get in the grass, they'll fucking cut it down. They'll expose me. Urza. Help. Is someone up there? Hello? Wait, my friend Urza? I can pan the camera down? Oh, okay. That's cool. Oh, thank goodness you're here. I think I broke my ankle. You broke your ankle? Who's that? Who's that dead body? I can carry him. Come here, my friend. What the hell? That's awesome. That is a huge animal. I don't know if we can make that jump. Oh, I have an idea. Toss me. Ow. I'm okay. There you go. Whoops. oh, I tripped. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to fucking make you face plant right there. Those soldiers put up gates like they think they own this forest. Maybe another way around. Wait. Oh, I know what to do. I'm gonna drop you, okay, buddy? It's gonna hurt. Oops. Read. Lieutenant Gallia, forget about your escaped villager. They won't last long out there. Make haste and erect whatever barricades you can to prevent that witch from pursuing us. Then proceed to the rendezvous point. I'll expect your troops in fighting form when they arrive. My squad has its hands full keeping our cargo restrained. Captain Kara. Whatever it is. Let's go, buddy. You cannot sprint while carrying something heavy. Well, I tried. I'm going to stick it out like a sore thumb. We're going to stick out like a sore thumb. Drop me in the grass and I'll hide it with you. Interesting. I'm going to drop it right there. I'm in. I see why you feel so sneaky. Oh, yeah. Oh. That was close. Come on. Keep going. Don't be shy. How am I going to get that? What's the situation? Just a hunger for mama's pie and a pint of ale. Pickpocket.
Huh?
Okay, that's good. I got the meteor shard. Silent ignition. Igniting objects with a fireball no longer creates an... Okay, that's the one I was supposed to get, but I guess I lost it. There you go. Keep going, keep going. Boom. Boom game. Let's go. Run, 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 run. Let's go. Sorry, my friend. Took me longer than expected. Oh. Mission accomplished. Oh, I did all the objectives. And I got 8 of the spirit points. Awesome. This seems like as good as a place as any to rest. I heard the guards talking while they had me restrained. Is it true what they're saying? That you have powers? Well, I don't care. Whatever it takes to rescue the others. After the explosion in the village, the soldiers all fled in different directions. They're scattered and lost. I saw some of hurting poor little Brian away as they were taking me. They were headed to a basin just up ahead to meet someone named Captain Kara. Other guards were talking about something called the palace and someone called the Archduchess. She sounds like the one in charge. I thought you had to be a village elder to be in charge of something. I guess this Archduchess must be really old and have a really big village. Wow, did you do that? Look, my ankle. I'm healed. I can walk again. This stone, it feels so calming to touch. It feels like home. What the hell? Don't worry about me. I'll be okay. Find the others. And tell Captain Kara and that Archduchess to back off. I'm sure a little fire will help. Where'd they he just disappeared. That was crazy. It's not letting me. Carry villagers to checkpoints to rescue them. Read. A petal came drifting, so careless and free, to gently sit down by a patient young tree. Nearby is a place you can linger, ensure that life cycles by as you're resting secure. When elements rage, find dark fissures and hide. Be sure no strong feelings escape from inside. Press palms to the rock, cool your skin and appraise your actions, your options, your history, your ways. Be better, be stronger than all who have passed. You're special, you're powerful, you're not the last. Your duty will rule you, and your spirit will fly. Like petal, you'll know where to rest, when to die. Well, that's a little dark, but alright. So I have to make it all the way here. And I'm guessing I have to go almost through every region, probably. Or maybe right here. Who knows? And now I can upgrade. Yeah. Shrine restoration. Touching an ancient shrine restores your full health. That's good. And I want this one too. Actually, I only have one, so I want a better fire jump. This one needs 10 spirit points, and then the next one I can't get yet. I'm guessing I have to max out one of these or something like that. But I want to do fire jump and max out fire jump. Alright. Another villager lies ahead. You suspect the enemy has begun using them as bait to draw you out. Free your captive kin. Make a break for it together. Interesting. Oh, chicken. Y'all are coming with me. Come here. You're coming with me. If I'm risking my life, y'all are risking it too. Come on. Don't get wet. So I'm not supposed to get in the water. What's that? I don't know. Why are you asking me? Who are you even talking to? Why are you talking out loud? Weirdo. Just kidding. That's not weird. I do that. Don't get paid. Don't get paid. I don't know what she said. Oh, I got wet. I already lost the objective. Whatever. Now let's see what happens if I go around. Oh, there you go. I can't, but it's okay. I think I know what I have to do anyways. Oh, you can't do anything about it, so it sucks for you. What happened to my flame? That works out. Come on. Nope. Well. Let's go. No, I did not mean to leave you behind, my friend. Did I fail? I failed. Oopsie. Come on, let's go, buddy. I couldn't.
Huh?
It's fine. You don't see nothing. Wait. Run along. Cremator. Enemies who burn to death will dissolve to ash and disappear. Oh. Let's just wait till she turns around. Oh, I had to bring him to the checkpoint. I definitely did it too early. Let's go, buddy. Well. Oh, I can bring you with me. See, now you're all healed up. Oh, and I don't even... Wait, does that mean... I want to get that point, though. Alright, now I can go. Well, let's see. Run! Oh shit, run. No, I will not face you. I will not face you. I'm fucking scared. Ignore all of it. Oh wow, look, no kills. See, I'm like a pacifist kind of guy. I didn't kill anybody, so that like overrides me not being able to do the checkpoints and objectives. What the hell? Reunite with your human. Oh my god, I can play? Oh shit! I can play as the fucking Sabertooth. Or what is this? I forgot what it's called. The Bobcat, yeah. That's awesome. Alright guys. Well, that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I'm not the best, but I am trying to get better. And I'm getting the hang of this game. But yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below. Make sure to subscribe. You know, I really would appreciate it if you guys could subscribe. That's all I'm asking. You know, you can like the video if not, but I really would appreciate the subscribe. You know, it just shows me that more people are actually interested in my channel and are enjoying what I'm posting. And if you guys enjoy my content, that makes me really happy. You know, I want to build a community, so that's definitely what I'm working towards. But yeah, so far I've had a good time with this game. It's very interesting, it's very fun, it's different than what I've been used to. I haven't really been playing a lot of games like this, but I definitely have enjoyed this one. And I can't wait to continue playing it and finish the series. But yeah, if you guys have any other tips and tricks or any games you would like to see me play, just, you know, let me know. I definitely will take a lot of advice from y'all. You know, this game, I just tried it out. You know, I decided to play it, and it's been good. It's been a beautiful game so far. To wrap it up, yeah, thanks again for everybody who stopped by and watched this video. I really appreciate all the support that you guys are giving me. And if you are new to this channel, please just subscribe and continue supporting this channel. I promise that I will keep posting and putting more videos out there. And you know, if you like the content that you see in this video, then I promise you will like the content in the future. Alright, once again, it's Sonder, and catch me in the next video. See y'all. Peace.